Right now I'm going to show you how to put up this bike rack. Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to find the studs, drill the holes, kind of get your rack in place, bolt it in place, then hang up the bike. Let's jump into it. So the first thing that we are going to do is identify where our stud is. And then identify about how high we want the bike to be. So that's a decent height for me. Cool. And that's it. So the hardest part was really finding the studs. The bike is up, it's racked, and it has a place to live when I am not riding it. So again, my name is Drew. If you like DIY stuff, check out some other videos on my channel. I'll see you in the next one.